What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to add friends in Marvel Rivals. Also, as always, if you want to know what equipment I'm using to make this video, I will leave links to those in the description below. So, let's get started. So you might be wondering, how do you add your friends? Well, to add friends here, you want to open up Marvel Rivals here, obviously. So you want to go to the top right of your screen, and you should be able to see a social icon here. So this is a person icon shape here at the top right, so next to your profile icon. So just go ahead and click on it, and you have three tabs so you can access here. So first is we have the contacts. So in the contacts here, this will show you all the friends you already have. But if you want to add someone, you can just click on the enter here section and just type the name of the player that you maybe want to add. So just press enter here, and you will be showing here. And what you need to do is you just need to click on the add friend option here, and that would send the friend request to that specific user. Now, if you go to recent players here, this will show you all the recent players that you've played with. Like for example, you you encounter a Jeff that you really want to add here, so they will be able, or you'll be able to see them in the recent players section. Now, if you want to view the request or friend request that was sent to your account, you can go to your request here and you can accept a friend request if someone actually sends you a friend request. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.